Hi, this is Ron from Olin's Technology, and today we're going to be reviewing the calibration procedure for the LumiSign. The calibration procedure is very simple, but it's very important. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with the little calibration wheel, which is right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this camera into a holder so I can have both hands to go through this procedure with you. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see there's a little dimple in the wheel, and I have that set right in the center, and that's about the middle of the range, up and down. So what we want to do is we're going to roll this all the way down. See, that little dimple goes down. Now very slowly roll it up until the sign lights and then stop immediately. And it'll light right about the middle. See the wheels coming up to the middle? There it is. So we stopped right away. And now what you want to do is back it off. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And it goes out. Roll it up. It lights. Back it off. It'll go out. And what's happening is that there's a little metal ball in here, and it's actually tilting up and down, kind of like this and like this, as we roll that wheel up and down. And we want that ball to be just this angle, so it has to roll uphill just a little. And when you put the brakes on, the ball rolls uphill, trips the switch, and the sign lights. If you hold your ear up next to this wheel, you can hear it clicking. And I'm going to try it with the microphone. So I'm going to put the microphone right next to it, and I hope this works. So here we go. I don't know if you could hear that, but I can hear it. It just clicked. It just clicked again. So it should turn out up until it clicks. And I hope you can hear that. It's clicking right when it lights up. Now we back it off. It just clicked again. That is a perfect calibration. Up until it clicks, stop, back it off. I just heard it click again. Now that is a perfect calibration. That's all there is to it, and it'll work 100% every time. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, info@olinstechnology.com. Thanks a lot, and I hope this helps you out.